Hi there. In this video, I'll walk you through how to navigate the EICC bookstore and compare course material prices. Whether you're a first-time or returning student, this tutorial will help you decide if the flat rate access program works best for you, or if opting out is the better option. Here's a quick overview. With flat rate access, you're charged a flat fee for your course materials, $66 for a 3-credit-hour course, for example. If your required materials cost less than the flat rate access fee, you might want to opt out and purchase your materials elsewhere. The EICC bookstore makes this easy by allowing you to compare prices while still using financial aid dollars, whether you opt into flat rate access or opt out. Now, let's get started. Open your preferred browser and go to eicc.textbookx.com. You'll see the EICC bookstore homepage, featuring the college's logo. Use the site's main search bar to find your course materials. Type in your course name, for example, ACC 111, Intro to Accounting. A new page will populate. You'll see the course name, instructor, and all required materials. In this example, the required material is listed at a fixed price of $196.12, with no other purchase options like new or marketplace used. Let's try another example. Search for GLS 100, Contemporary World Issues. For this course, you'll see 3 options: an ebook for $33.69, a new book for $33.12, a marketplace option for $12.59. Let's select that marketplace or use book option. You'll see a gray button allowing you to view a list of materials from trusted third-party sellers. Click on it. A window will pop up showing details about the used book's condition. If you're happy with the choice, add it to your cart and close the window. Ready to check out? Here's how. In the upper right corner, click the shopping cart icon. You'll see a list of your selected items and their prices. If everything looks good, click the red Check Out Now button. Log in with your EICC credentials to complete the payment and shipping steps. Remember, you can pay with financial aid or a card. And that's it. Using the EICC bookstore helps you compare prices and gives you the flexibility to use financial aid, whether you choose to opt in or out of flat rate access. If you have any questions, contact the EICC bookstore at bookstore@eicc.edu. Thanks for watching.